Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I'm super excited to see you here today. So something that I've always wanted to share on my channel in the lifestyle category was, health and wellness. And I thought that I would start by sharing some products that I have literally taken since the time I was 12 years old. And that's because I got a massive order of these products in today, and I thought, well, you know what, let me do an unboxing. So today I'm looking at Herbalife. You guys may have heard of this company, you may have not heard of it. It basically is a company dedicated to nutrition and wellness. I've had the opportunity to take Herbalife products since the time I was 12 years old, and the reason I continue on them is because so many things improved for me. My skin, my memory, like there were just so many improvements all in all, and I really love the products. But today I'm pretty excited because they actually have a new flavor on the market for the shakes, and I'm so excited about it because I have never tried this flavor before, and I'm sure that it's going to be absolutely amazing. So let me just open up the box and I'll go through all the products and show you what I have actually received. Honest, lifting up this box was so freaking hard, like, oh my gosh. It's so heavy. That's because I usually order Herbalife once every 2 months, and I order a variety of products from them because I really like taking a variety of health products, and Herbalife has so many of them. So the first thing that I wanted to showcase is this. It's a beverage mix, and I absolutely love this. So when you actually take 2 scoops of this, you get 15 grams of protein. And I'm someone who likes to work out a lot. If you're on my Instagram, you'll see me doing hikes. You'll see me running up and down the stairs. Actually, wait, I probably haven't uploaded any videos of me running up and down the stairs, but I actually do that quite often. And something that I like to consume immediately after I have worked out, or even before I've worked out, for an extra boost of energy and also to build my muscle mass, is protein. So this is a delicious peach mango drink, and it is so easy to use. You just take 2 scoops, mix it in a glass of water, and then you drink it. I really appreciate the beverage mix because even when I was working, I felt like this made a huge difference to my overall energy. I would come back from work, I'd be so tired, and the first thing I would grab would be my beverage mix, and then I would go and I would have my lunch because I just needed that extra energy, and that protein always kind of kept me going. So I really love this. This is so easy. Even if you take it to work, you just mix it with water, and you essentially get 15 grams of protein, which is essential for building your muscles. So I really like that product, and I will be taking it like for a long time. So let me just show you the other products that I have. So this is actually the main Herbalife product. It's actually a shake. It has a ton of nutrients and stuff in this, and I actually take this every single day. My breakfast is always a Herbalife shake. Something that I have started doing is adding kale. Like I literally take a handful of kale, throw it into my blender, and my blender becomes green. And because the kale is so and the whole shake ends up becoming green, but I don't care. So I take that, and then I have a banana in it, and I also add on the shake, and I have this all in water. I've stopped taking milk because it kind of just aggravates my phlegm and everything, so I'm actually like off milk completely. This is a water shake, and again, amazing for protein and other types of nutrition that you need in here. It's got so many different things, so many different vitamins. According to this, it has 21 vitamins and minerals, and it's a good source of fiber. I can attest to all of that. I mean, if it wasn't good, I wouldn't be buying this every single month. So yeah, this is pralines and cream, which is really yummy. They have so many different flavors in the US, and I'm just going to show you all of them. This is Dulce de Leche. It is as delicious as it sounds. So the other flavors that I have bought are mint chocolate. This is definitely one of my personal favorites. We love mint chocolate, and it goes so well with the kale because it ends up becoming green and it reminds you of mint. There's also strawberry cheesecake. This is another personal favorite of mine. I love to add fresh strawberries with 1 banana to this. And oh my goodness, it is so freaking yummy. I love starting my day with healthy stuff, and I will never stop taking these. I mean, I haven't, It's been 18 years and I am going strong, and I don't think I'll ever stop. As long as this is around, I will be taking it. This is just another strawberry cheesecake. I bought 2 of some flavors. This over here is orange cream. Also a wonderful flavor, and I like to mix it with mandarin oranges or any orange that's available in the house, again with some kale. and you know, I just put in the scoops that I need from this plus protein powder. So I have this plus a protein powder from Herbalife. This time I didn't order any because it wasn't available, but yeah, I bought 2 bottles of this orange cream. And what else? Oh, right. So this is the brand new flavor. I'm actually so excited for this. It's called Creamy Peanut Butter, and it's a limited seasonal edition. Never tried this flavor before, but we have tried the shake. Like, there's also a vanilla, by the way, for this. If you don't fancy all these flavors, they have the basic ones like vanilla and chocolate, and they taste really good. So vanilla is a flavor that I buy when I want to just have some excitement in my life, you know, like I can mix watermelon with it if I wanted to. I could mix anything, even mangoes, with vanilla, and you're gonna get like a mango flavored shake. So I love adding fruits to this, and we had actually added peanut butter at one point to the shakes, and it was so freaking good. So this is pretty fun. I'm looking forward to trying this. We're probably gonna try it on our vacation in Florida. So now we're coming to the last few products. I like to get Herbalife's Soothing Gel. This is really one of my favorite skin treatments. Prior to using tretinoin, I actually used to put this aloe vera gel on my skin almost every single night. It works so well as a mask. It is so hydrating. It is amazing. So I just really love aloe, and I like this particular one. Like, we've tried some from Walmart and stuff, and I just haven't felt like I like it as much as this one. This one is very thick, and it's just awesome. Like, if you have a cut or a burn or something, you know, when you're cooking, throw some aloe vera on it. It's gonna sort that out almost immediately for you. And I don't just apply aloe vera, you know, onto my skin, and that is topically. I also drink it. So Herbalife has these amazing aloe concentrates, and I love these. These are incredible. Like, honestly, when you're drinking a lot of this, you're gonna see your skin literally start to glow from within. It is amazing. And I also use this for my overall digestive health. Like, if you have a stomach ache, I honestly can tell you that this concentrate is incredible for stomach aches. It goes in there and it just sorts everything out in like 10 minutes or so, and you're fine after that. You're just fine. So this is something that I have every single day, because you know, your stomach needs to be looked after every day, not just when you're in pain or when you have a problem or whatever. Like, for me, I kind of believe that you just need to have a healthy lifestyle, and that means something that you do daily. It's not just like, oh, okay, I'm sick now, so now I'm going to eat healthy. Like, I would rather just have a healthy lifestyle and do everything consistently on a daily basis. This one is mango flavored, and I really love these because you can even add them to salads, like as a salad dressing. I love adding these as salad dressings. It just makes everything taste so freaking yummy. And it's a concentrate. It's so good. Like, you just need 3 caps of this a day and you're good. The last few products that I have are the Herbalife teas in the flavor raspberry. So I actually buy the teas in a ton of flavors. They have chai, they have lemon, they have cinnamon, they have their original flavor. They've got something else made with guarana, which gives you like a boost of energy and concentration. I use these teas mostly to study because, as a lot of you know, I'm actually studying at the same time right now. I have courses that I need to finish up in order to get my license, and I start my day with these teas every single morning. It's always shake aloe tea, and you know, the aloe is amazing for hydration too. I actually forgot to mention, this is superb for hydration. Like, if you need to just hydrate your body, this is your friend. It is just so good. I can't say enough things about the aloe and the shake, and and even the tea. The tea is just superb. I remember the way it used to help me study even when I was in school and college. So yeah, I pretty much maintained the same habits for 18 years, and I'm actually really happy about that. But that actually brings us to the end of the unboxing. So like I said, I do this every 2 months, and I'm pretty excited, you know, to show you these products that I'm getting every 2 months, and I will be continuing to showcase these because I really love the products from Herbalife. I know that a lot of people have complaints about the company and stuff, and you know, you're entitled to your opinion. Personally, for me, I'll never stop taking it because the products have made a huge, remarkable difference to my life. And it's not just to me, we also, my whole family's on it. You know, my mom, my dad, my sister, even my husband's on it. So we just love working out. We love being healthy. And this is just, it's become such a big part of our lives. I thought that, maybe it is time to actually share it and let anybody out there know, like in case you're looking for something to try, you're trying to improve your health and all of that, this is really an amazing option. It is so easy to make the shake in the morning. You just throw it in, your breakfast is basically done in like 5 minutes. That's why in the morning we have it for breakfast, and then, lunch and dinner we eat whatever we want. But even what we eat during lunch and dinner is something that I try to keep as healthy as possible with a lot of vegetables. I'm so thankful that Indian cuisine has a ton of spices in it, plus a ton of like vegetables that you can throw into anything and everything. So because of that, I'm able to throw a lot of vegetables into my diet, and then I have like a lot of protein as well, because the protein is what builds the muscle. So especially when I'm working out, before I work out, after I work out, I'm having protein. That is like the most important thing. After you work out, there's actually like a 15 to 30 minute window whereby if you have protein, then your muscles actually hurt less. So that's actually the reason why protein is so important in my diet, because I'm trying to like work out as well as, make sure that I can continue working out the next day by taking that protein, because it goes in and it repairs the muscles essentially. So yeah, that's all I have to share with you today in this Herbalife unboxing and my very first, kind of like health lifestyle video on Herbalife. I really love the company, love the products, and I wanted to share it with you. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you take it, or if you've ever heard of it, and I'll see you soon for another video. But thank you for joining me for the unboxing, and I hope that you have a wonderful, healthy week. Bye.